Hey everybody, BlackBerry Brad here with not one, but two boxes for the BlackBerry Passport. Now, we've already done the black BlackBerry Passport, so I figured I'd grab us the white BlackBerry Passport. Just came off the FedEx truck just now, so figure we'd do a quick unboxing of the white BlackBerry Passport. Let's take a look. There she is, on white. Get it out of the box. Get to that in a second. Again, inside you have your user manual, which is in the form of a BlackBerry Passport, and also has, or just a regular passport for that matter, also has a 30-day warranty information. Underneath, let's pull this out, we have the charging cube, the headphones, check these out. These are in white. So, I don't know if I have any there on hand, but the other BlackBerry Passport, the black one itself, came with the black headphones. So these guys are in white itself. Still same premium headsets, but in white. And then you also have your micro USB sync cable itself. And then in here, you have your safety guides, and you also have your Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Got two of them, different languages. Taking a look at the white BlackBerry Passport. Very nice. So let's do away with everything on the back here. And we'll get this guy up here. Come on. And then we got the one up front. Take a quick comparison to the black and the white. Oh, forgot one last plastic piece here on the camera lens. Let's see if we get it. Come on. There we go. Now it's officially unboxed. Take a look again at the white and the black. Much different texture on the white one than there is on the black one. They did away from the rubbery feel, did more of a hard, plasticky feel itself. You have the charger ports up top, or I'm sorry, the headphone jacks up top. You also have, compared to the two of them, nothing on the side. Volume keys on the side as well. Very nice looking device. That is the white BlackBerry Passport with the black BlackBerry Passport. So check out berryport.com for more videos on the BlackBerry Passport, the BlackBerry Classic. If you want to get your own BlackBerry Passport, visit shop.blackberry.com for more information. Brad out.